Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a collaboration with my best friend from America. I absolutely love her. I've done a collaboration with her before and I love her. She's amazing. So what is my hair doing? So we are doing a prom makeup look today. So definitely make sure to go and check out her channel. I'll link her channel down below, so as soon as you finish mine, go and check hers out. Let her know that you come from my channel. I was really excited when she approached me and asked me to collaborate with her again, because she really is the best person ever. She's so lovely, so kind, so thoughtful, always there for you. She's such a lovely person and her content is great, so make sure you go and check her out. So I really hope you guys enjoy this prom look I create, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So we're going to jump straight into this look. Now I have fake tanned a few days ago and I find that my face starts to fade. So I like to use these sun-kissed bronzing pearls and just take a big fluffy brush, pop it all over my face, and it just makes my face the same colour as my neck and the rest of my body. You can use this as a bronzer as well, but I just find it works great for my face. At prom, you 100% will need a primer because you want your makeup to stay flawless all night. So I'm using this primer and I find that this one makes my face like just completely blank canvas, but it blurs all of the imperfections out. Like, it just gives you like a really shiny effect and it makes the foundation go on so much better. And I'm just going to pop some of that primer on my eyes as well. So for eyes, we're going to use the Tarte Amazonian Clay palette, and these are all matte shades, and I'm going to go in with that nice white cream colour just to get a base going. These brushes are from Pixie Beauty and I flippin' love them. They were sent over to me in a PR package in this lovely little box and I keep them in there and they're so good. I especially love this brush because it's a really big fluffy blending brush. The next colour I'm going to pick up is kind of that muted beigey purple colour, and I'm just going to work that into my crease as well. And I'm going to keep this look quite natural, not going to go too dramatic. So I'm going to pick that little bit of a darker purple up and I'm going to pop that in the crease, but focus it on the outer corners of my eye. Using a setting spray, I'm going to spray my makeup brush and I'm going to pick this Pixie by Petra palette up, and I'm just using that nice coppery bronze shade. Then for mascara, I'm using the Snap Mascara. I love this mascara, it's so good. It makes your lashes really dark and it gives them like a nice curl. So I have applied some lashes, so we're going to move on to the face now. So because I've got quite a bit of redness on my face and that huge spot, I'm going to use a little bit of colour corrector and I'm going to take it underneath my eyes and just over the red marks on my face. And for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours. I love this foundation. I've been using this for quite a while, but I want to use this for this look as well because it stays for ages. It's nice and dewy, but it gives like a matte finish at the end, but it's not too drying, and I just love the coverage of it. Using a big stippling brush, I'm just going to blend everything in so it's nice and seamless. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Clinique All About Eyes concealer, and I'm just going to put that very close to my lash line, and then I'm going to take the Maybelline eraser and I'm going to use that as the rest of my concealer. I like the mix of these two. To set all of that in place, I'm using the Banana Dreams powder by W7. Moving on to bronzer, I'm taking the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer, and I'm just going to apply this with a domed shaped brush, and I'm just going to do a baby contour. Then I'm going to take a more fluffier brush and I'm going to bronze my face. A big tip that I love doing is taking the powder that I use, the Banana Dreams, and carving out my contour. It makes such a difference. For blush, I'm taking the Revolution Ultimate Blush Palette, and I'm going to use a peachy shade, but I'm also going to mix it with a bright pink because I want really rosy looking cheeks. And don't forget to brush that carved contour powder away. I'm then going to set my whole face with powder, so I'm using the Smashbox Photo Filter powder, and I just like to apply this all over my face and it just keeps everything in place. Highlight, I'm using this one by MAC and it's called Show Gold. And I'm so upset because it's broken and I really need to repurchase another one, but it is such a gorgeous pink glow. I am obsessed. I'm also going to take some of that highlight and just pop it in my tear ducts. Using the Tartelette palette, I'm going to take the same colours that I use and just run them underneath my lash line. For lips, I'm going to take the W7 Lip Twister, and this one is in the shade Champagne. And for lipstick, I'm going to take the W7 one in the shade Jemima. And there we go, you guys, this is the look that I've created. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't leave here without subscribing, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!